Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. So there's a simple guide. Just find the Play Store on your mobile device. After, we will go in the search. Before you get a redeem Google Play gift card, just download the VPN. So you will just find a free VPN like this, Super Unlimited Proxy. So make sure you will have connected. So we will just tap and we will just connect it to my device. Just tap for connect. So you will just have to select the country which you have location. They are all free. After, we will go back, just tap the Play Store and we will go in the top right corner of profile and we will move in payments and subscriptions. Just tap redeem code and right now you will just have enter a code or you will also scan gift card. Once it's done, just tap for redeem. So in this way, you will just have to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. Thank you.